We are going to have a look at the drag and drop features inside the pivot reports. And that is very, very powerful to create different kind of analysis what you need. So here, if you see, I've got the base layout, which is giving me zone and state. Now, what I can do is I can drag these fields out. So if I want state-wise, party-wise, I can drag this field in. And let's say then I want to see sales and credit note in column. So I can add that. And then I can save this as a layout. I can call it state party sales versus credit notes. So I can have these kind of layouts. So you can add, multiple fields onto the row area or the column area, and your reports can get generated. And this can be in the form of hierarchy as well. So in case I want my financial month, let's say I want to see my month wise, sales versus credit note. So I can add this field here, or I can even have states here. So these are my different states, and then I've got my sales and credit note. Or what I can do is, state wise, suppose I want to see it, with the go down, or if I want to see stock group wise, so I can add the stock group. So I have my different stock groups by state. I can keep this collapsed, right? And then expand to see the details. In the data area as well, so this area is called the data area. In the data area as well, you can add multiple fields. So in case I want to see the item and the stock item name, so I can add those fields. So this is giving me the item, and then let me add the quantity. Here we have the quantity. So I've created a detailed report with quantity and amount using the drag and drop features. And then I can even save this as another layout for future reference. So once I've got these saved as layouts, I don't need to repeat this customization again and again. There are a lot more features in pivots. So you can watch the other videos, or you can connect with us for a live demo. Thank you.